Good morning mga kababayan. Here's a little bit of a video kung paano palitan, how to replace a oil pressure sensor kasi it's not, the truck is not working properly. As you can see, you don't know how much oil you have because the gauge is not going up, it's not responding. Same time, the engine light it's on, so you can see right now. There it is. And if you try to get a smog, this will not pass because you have those problems. So I'll show you where to get to that pressure oil sensor. It's right under the hood. Let's open the hood. And behind the engine, way in the back of the engine is where this is the oil pressure switch sensor according to the code reader, which is you can buy anywhere. It's cheap on Amazon, but pretty much any store would have it, and it's $32 from Amazon. I don't know how much how long is the warranty, but AutoZone $85, but I believe it's lifetime warranty if I'm not mistaken. So anyhow, once again I will show you where that sensor is. It's located deep inside in the back, and you will see it soon. There's that black round part in the middle. There it is. And you will need a tool to remove that, a socket, special socket. You can use pretty much any mechanics socket set, but I bought the specific socket to remove that. I will show you that in a bit, but for the meantime, that's where it is, and I will show you now where you can get it. So Amazon have it pretty cheap, so it's worth it. And there's the old one. Sorry, I didn't show you how to remove it, but you will see how to put it in, so you can just reverse it. It's right there. So anyhow, that is the old one. Since we replaced that, we might as well remove and replace the filter. Since we're replacing the sensor, you will see why you need to do that. As you can see, it's full of gunk and full of debris buildup. And the new one comes with a new filter, so might as well replace that. Just get a coat hanger or anything like that to remove it. Very simple. And just make a hook like so, and then just stick it in and pull out. And here's a new oil pressure sensor side by side with the old one, with the OEM, just original, and then this is the Amazon. They look the same, just fine. It works fine. It has a good review. But anyhow, this is where I located once more. So to remove it, it's just vice versa. Just take your time. And yep. Just thread it slowly till you can till it stops. Then just use the socket after that. Like I said, take your time. And here's my wife taking a video of me. And yeah, no one's talking about what I did here is the board. That's very helpful. So I put a board on top of the engine. Make sure that you don't hit anything crucial, any lines. And here's the result after. As you can see, the gauge is now responding, and no more engine light at the same time. So that worked. And and you save a lot of money by replacing yourself because it's not difficult. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe. So you can see, maraming salamat po. Thank you.